In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete blank pages in Microsoft Word. Stray blank pages can make a document feel unfinished and can shift your page numbers or print extra paper. I'll show you a quick, reliable way to spot and remove them using tools built right into Word. First, open your document and head to the View tab at the top of the Word window. This is where you can turn on helpful panels that make navigating long documents easier. In the Show group, enable the Navigation Pane. As soon as you check it, a sidebar appears on the left. It gives you three options across the top: Headings, Pages, and Results. For finding blank pages fast, the Pages view is the most visual and effective. Click Pages in that sidebar. You'll see small thumbnails of each page in your document, in order. Scroll through until you notice the blank one. It usually shows as a mostly empty thumbnail, and seeing it here makes it much easier to target the right spot, especially in long reports or manuscripts. When you found it, click that thumbnail. Word will jump you directly to that page in the main editing area, placing your cursor on or near the blank space that needs to go. Now, with the insertion point on that blank page, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This removes the extra paragraph marks or page breaks that are creating the empty page. If the page doesn't vanish right away, keep the cursor at the start of the blank page and press Delete again until the page collapses into the previous one. Made a mistake? No problem. Use Undo to restore your content, then try again more carefully so only the unwanted blank space is removed. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Make sure you actually click the blank page in the Pages panel. If you don't, you might be deleting content on a different page. Also, if you're on a laptop where the Delete key behaves differently, the backspace key will usually accomplish the same thing by removing what's in front of the cursor when you're on that empty page. Finally, glance back at the Pages panel to confirm the thumbnail count has adjusted and the blank page is gone. That's all it takes. Open the Navigation pane from the View tab, switch to Pages, click the blank page, and press Delete until it disappears. With this simple approach, you can tidy up any document in seconds and keep your formatting clean and professional.